If you're trying to make money writing online, but it is not working, you could be making one of the biggest mistakes that people are making trying to make money by writing online in 2023. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make 6 figures as a writer. And quick caveat, there's a lot of ways to make money writing. I make money by writing books, not by writing blog posts or articles. However, the advice that I'm going to share will apply to you regardless of which of those strategies you choose. Now, one thing you might be surprised by is that virtually none of my income comes from actual book sales. Maybe a few $100s per month, but that's about it. To explain why that is, let me tell you about a virtual event I recently signed up for. This is about how to be successful as a self-published author. On the headlines on the page, it was all about creating what is called your author ecosystem. The messaging was about how you can't just publish books anymore. You have to have an entire ecosystem around that book in order to actually be successful and make money as a writer. To give you an example of what they mean by ecosystem, pretend you write a book, and in the book, you give away some really valuable resources that help people execute on what's in your book. They have to go to a web page, enter their email, and they download the thing. Now they've moved from your book to your email list. On your email list, you can tell them about your YouTube channel, your podcast, your Instagram. You can promote online courses and different coaching programs. And as you build that audience off the back end of your book, guess what? When you write your next book, you already have a pre-built audience of customers to sell it to. So the whole thing works like this flywheel, feeding itself and growing your overall ecosystem, aka the business that you have behind your book. Books act as a fantastic filter to bring people into your world. Someone who has read one of my books, they're just like, the book helped me so much. They're ready to learn about other products and courses that I have available for sale. That is so different than somebody who just subscribes to you on YouTube or downloads some free thing from you on Instagram. However, the book is only the tip of the iceberg. It brings people in, but then you must build a real business behind it, a back end in order to be successful. And if you were wanting to be more of like a blogger or write articles or be active in forums and things like that, this advice still applies. You would use those platforms to build your audience, build your followers, grow an email list, grow your other channels, but then most importantly, have higher priced products and coaching behind all of that content and writing, and that is where most of your money will be made. Even that seminar that I'm going to about how to be successful in self-publishing has a high-ticket coaching program where they help people self-publish books. And guess what? That's where they make the majority of their revenue, and they're the experts on self-publishing books. Now, when you create those back-end courses and coaching programs that follow your book, you want to make sure to not make the biggest #1 mistake that I have ever made since I've been an author. I put that mistake for you in this video. Please watch this before you create those programs that live behind your book. Smash that subscribe button if you found this valuable. I appreciate that a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video.